All right, guys. Frank 450 Sports. We have a double of SP Game News 742. 742. Remember, guys, as I have announced, tomorrow is the first case break of Series 2. It's not going to be done tomorrow because the release is on Thursday. The first biddings ends tomorrow night. So be sure to go see the auction and get your teams. This is the first break. We're going to have a second one. And please note that this case break is going to be done Thursday at noon. So everyone, while your lunch break, you're going to be able to watch the case live on earthbreakers.tv at 12 o'clock. All right, so first block of SP Game News. Rookie Jake Virtanen, number 399. We have jersey of Frederick Anderson. We have a jersey of Erik Karlsson. We have a draft day mark Nick Cousins. Well, they're not gone on eBay, Matt. So basically, the first break is going to one that's going on eBay tomorrow. And we have All-Star Skill Fabrics patch number 35 for the Ottawa Senators, Bobby Ryan. That was for the first box. Second one. Ça va être dégueulasse, ça. All right, we have a rookie relics, number 49, Nicolas Pétain. We have a duel between the New York Islanders and the Flyers, John Tavares, Jakub Voracek. We have a jersey for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Nikita Kucherov. We have a jersey number 149 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Cal Bond. And we have a booklet. Nice. We have a booklet, a dual patches, number 15 for the Colorado Avalanche, Jarome Iginla, Gabriel Landeskog. It's a media guide booklets. And it's number 215. So we're going to do the random. So it's between the New York Islanders and the Philadelphia Flyers. So sure, there we go. So random. 1, 2, 3 goes to the Philadelphia Flyers. So there you go, guys. I'll be right back with Trilogy.